Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our mass airflow sensor. That's going to be located on the engine right underneath this area, so we're going to get this cover out of the way. Make your way right over to this fill neck, we're going to grab onto it, turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Set that aside. Now we can lift up on this cover and pull it towards the front to remove it from the vehicle. With that out of the way, you have a nice clear view of the mass airflow sensor located right here. We're going to start by disconnecting the wiring. Go ahead and reach underneath it. There's going to be a tab that you can grab. Go ahead and pull that away from the mass airflow sensor and then draw away the wiring. Give it a quick inspection. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. This one looks fine, so I'll set it aside. Now we can come up to our two mounting bolts that hold this to the throttle body. Let's go ahead and use our T20 H-bit, which essentially has a hole in the center and it's shaped like a star. We're going to come right in here and remove those two bolts. Both of these bolts are the same. Carefully grab onto that mass airflow sensor, give it a little wiggle, and remove it from the vehicle. Now I'm just going to use a rag. I'm going to wipe out this inner area here, being very careful not to push anything inside this area. All right, now let's go ahead and put in our brand new sensor. Just carefully slide this right down into position. Now we can line up both of our bolts. We'll start them in. Once they're started, we can snug them up and torque them to 27 inch-pounds. Reconnecting your wiring. For this, we're going to carefully press it in and listen for a click. There's our click. Give it a tug to make sure it's completely secured. Now we can get our cover on here. I'm going to line up this area along the front. Put in our fill neck. Make sure that's nice and tight so no moisture or debris can make its way into your engine. Okay friends, we got our mass airflow sensor in there. What's left to do now? Now you're going to want to go ahead and close the hood, start it up, and make sure you don't have a running condition. Essentially, you don't want to have a misfire of any sort. Aside from that, take it for a road test, make sure there's no check engine light. Thanks for watching.